Good morning, everyone. Good day, good evening, wherever you are. It's a beautiful day here, and today taking another look here at metals, silver specifically. Have a look at the chart. You can see we've got some clear resistance above where we are. We're trading at about $71, $72 an ounce right now for silver. Gold is down as well, and there's a clear resistance above it forming in the 75 area or so. If you're looking at it at the chart, it's kind of like a resistance from above that you can think about it as a physical thing that's really at the top there, preventing the price from moving up. But of course, guys, with charts, there's no magic. It all comes from just general psychology and the price movement. It's just that this price action creates these areas of resistance or support, and the reason it does so is really just because of human psychology, which is unchanging. 100 years down the road, 1,000 years down the road, our human psychology will not change. It will be the same. There will be lows, there will be highs, and things will never move in a just in a regular straight line. So that's what's happening right now with silver. And yeah, you can see it kind of being bumped down by the resistance. And like I said, I think it's short. I am bearish on silver right now. Not in the long-term sense. I love silver. I say that in every video. But I do think it's gone up a bit too much, and there was too much retail, too much excitement at the highs. I believe too many people bought there, and I do expect silver to disappoint, really, really disappoint. And that's what it's doing right now. So yeah, take a look. I want to say that I called it, but of course it's always about probabilities. But this was a high probability case, I believe, in my eyes, that silver will go down, and I think it will continue going down here. Now, if you watch my last video, you'll know that I had a short as well on silver overnight for at that time. Now I closed the short. I don't like to keep shorts on for too long. I mean, they're kind of like more like day trades for me, especially in things that I enjoy and personally like gold and silver. So what I'm doing is really, and you know, when you're following here, basically we're just waiting for that opportunity. When will the opportunity to buy come back into silver? So that's not yet. Right now I would say it's if anything, it's still a short, and it still looks like it's gonna be heading down some more. So yeah, we're in the low 70s. As we get into the mid 60s, low 60s, and 50s, hopefully, those would be the opportunities to buy. And I would love to buy some silver at the $50 range, somewhere in the 50s. I would be happy with that. Now, just remember, what will happen is as we get down there, it will be scary because it will just look like we're going to 40 and then 30. You'll hear a lot of people say exactly that. No, this guy's trying to get out. It's pretty rough. But yeah, you'll hear a lot of people, similar to Bitcoin now, you'll hear a lot of people saying that it's going to go lower. And look what happened to Bitcoin. It went to 70,000, 60,000. People thought it's going to 10,000 or 30,000, and it didn't. It bounced up. Now, it might still go down, but the idea is that it's always tough to buy during those times. That's just natural. But just ignore your feelings, please. Ignore your feelings at those times. When things are low, you buy. When things are high, again, you ignore feelings, you ignore others, and you sell. That's the idea. That's the way to do it. Now, with me personally, gold and silver, I still have like a long-term position, one that I'm not gonna be selling. I don't mess around with it. But I do like to accumulate when it's when the price is low, and I like to do the opposite when the price is high. So that's what I've been doing, and so far just watching it. All right, so that's silver. Now just talking about Bitcoin here, you can see almost kind of like the opposite pattern on Bitcoin. It has gotten a bump a little bit because of the US 500, because of the SPY, the S&P 500, bouncing and moving up. So that's nice. But I think it will continue to go up on its own merits. Now, whether from here we shoot back up to 90K and then stall before going up again, or whether we go down some more and then go up again, we don't know. But think about Bitcoin. It's think about the price compared to where it was before, and you'll see that this is your half off sale. So why not get in? That's the way, at least, that I think about it. And there's also some altcoins right now. There's quite a few, but with many altcoins, I just see a bottom where your risk, if you're getting into them, even though they're naturally risky, some of these alts, getting into them now is a great deal. You're getting in so much lower than so many other people who have already been disappointed. So much capitulation has already happened, and there you go. You can get in. Just get in with money that you're fine to just ignore, and I believe you will be handsomely rewarded with multi-baggers over the next couple of years, with with quite a bit of the crypto names, altcoin names. If you want to be safe, you just go Bitcoin. But yeah, that's how it is. And just last thing here with the S&P 500, what a rise, what a rise. We were down, up to about 10% off of the highs. And at that point, I released my video. I was saying my strategy is to add about 10% of my reserves for that 10% that the market goes down. And if it goes down 20% or something like that, I will then add some more. I didn't get the chance to add more. I just added 10% of my cash position back to the market at that -10, and since then it's just been going up and up and up. So yeah, it's nice to watch the the money grow, the shares appreciate, but and of course you wish that you would have gone in more, but we just never know. If it would have gone down, I would have been disappointed that I would have put in that much more than my plan. So yeah, stick with your plan. S&P 500 is looking good. I think that the S&P 500 will just have a slow, steady, annoying grind up for a while, maybe for another year. I don't know, year and a half. It might get to 8,000. That's my thinking. So that's for the S&P. Silver, yeah, still expect some capitulation, guys. Don't get excited about it. Get excited about it when no one else is excited about it. That's the way to win. Leaving you with that. Let me know what you're doing, and see you in the next drive. Cheers.